Let's see what's going in my next smoothie. Got some spinach, banana, apples, oranges, limes, strawberries, and beets. Oh, look at them beets. I think I'm gonna make some beet balls. Get them balls, y'all. Beet balls. Smoothie. And this woozy for shoozy. Oh, that looks so good to me. The smoothie looks so good to me. Can you take a sip, get a drink, and drink it whole?
Hello everyone, I'm Ravana and I'm really happy to be here. Okay, as you saw in the previous video, I had my tips for running for beginners. And a really important thing about working out is refueling afterwards. Fruits and vegetables are going to be the best refuel food. Why? Because they're very easily digested by the body, so your body can direct all of that energy into repairing your muscles. Also, remember that fruits and vegetables are so full in essential vitamins, minerals, and even protein, so you really don't have to worry about that. A lot of people question, well, what happens if I'm trying to build muscle? Can I do that on a vegan or raw vegan diet? You can certainly do that. You're gonna be getting the protein that you need. What's gonna build muscle is doing weights and doing more exercise. That's gonna build strength and muscle. So these are my favorite 3 top post-workout smoothies that I really like. I added greens to all of them, so don't be like alarmed if maybe it won't taste good. They're gonna taste amazing. And remember that greens are really important to eat because they're full of essential minerals like iron, calcium that we really need, especially after working out, since we had all of that energy expenditure. Let's start with the first one. For the first one, we're gonna use 3 to 4 bananas or 5 bananas, however you want. We're gonna use 1 to 2 pears, 1 cucumber peeled and cut, and we're also gonna use 2 to 3 leaves of romaine lettuce with 1.5 cups of coconut water. All right, and you just put all of that in the blender and blend it up, and it's ready. All right, for the second smoothie, this one is more acidy, but still is going to really refuel all of those muscles and that energy. 2 cups of orange juice, 1 or 2 large apples, and if they're smaller, I recommend that you use even more apples. 2 cups of spinach, around 4 to 5 leaves of mint. Put that all in the blender, blend it up, and it's ready. Third and final smoothie is one of my absolute favorites, and I really feel that you guys are gonna like it. So it's gonna be 4 to 5 bananas, and I used frozen bananas, 2 cups of blueberries, and you can also use frozen blueberries, 2 cups of spinach, 3 to 4 dates, pitted dates, and 1.5 cups of coconut water. All right, everyone. Well, I really hope you try these smoothies. They're absolutely delicious. They're so easy to whip up after a workout. They're really gonna just put your energy up again so you can keep going, recover, and work out even more. And then you're gonna have so much energy and you're gonna be like me and you're gonna be like, oh, what do I do with so much energy? But it's amazing. All right, well, don't forget to like my video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video of the 14-day Raw Vegan Challenge. Thank you, and I'm so excited for everyone who's participating in it. We're doing this together, it's great. Thank you all for all your love, and let me know in the comments below which one of the smoothies you think is better. My personal favorite is number 1, but let me know, okay? So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go drink one of these smoothies. Bye! Hey guys, Erin here at Eat, Move, Rest, and welcome back, or if it's your first time, then welcome to our channel. We are in the kitchen today because we are going to be bringing to you a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl. So this is a fantastic dairy-free alternative to ice cream. We tend to call it nice cream because it's nice to your body and it tastes amazing as well. It's springtime, it'll be summer before we know it. Dusty and I just got back from Costa Rica and we are feeling the tropical vibes. So we're gonna be bringing you a bubblegum pink smoothie bowl. Let's jump right into the ingredients. Keep in mind this is going to be 2 servings, so either enjoy it with a friend, cut the recipe in half, or save half in the freezer for another day. You will need 4 ripe speckled frozen bananas, about 1 cup of frozen raspberries, about 1 cup of frozen strawberries. This is one of the key players here. This is frozen jackfruit. You'll need about 7 pods. We found ours at Whole Foods. And this is what's going to give your smoothie bowl its juicy fruit bubblegum flavor. If you've never tried jackfruit before, you are in for a treat because it actually, some say, is where juicy fruit bubblegum got its flavor from. So if you cannot find jackfruit in your grocery store, an alternative would be frozen mango. Although you won't get quite the same taste, it's still going to be incredibly delicious. And the final ingredient you will need is 1 frozen dragon fruit pack. So this is another ingredient that is going to really make this smoothie what it is. It's going to give it its vibrant, hot pink hue. If you can't find frozen pitaya, also known as dragon fruit, you can also use dragon fruit powder, or a lot easier option would be to use just a small chunk of raw beet or beet powder. That will give you that same bright pink hue. Last but not least, you will need 1 scoop of Sun Warrior Vanilla Warrior Blend protein, or your plant protein of choice. We've got our high-speed blender and we're going to start by placing our bananas in first. Keep in mind, if you don't have an extremely high-speed powerful blender, you might want to let your frozen ingredients thaw for about 15 to 20 minutes. Raspberries, strawberries, jackfruit or mango if you don't have jackfruit, pitaya, or if you don't have pitaya, use one of the alternatives that I mentioned. There are several reasons why we prefer this Sun Warrior protein. Number 1, the taste is amazing when it's put into a fruit smoothie. Number 2, it's USDA certified organic, it's gluten-free, grain-free, and bonus, it is raw. So this hasn't been exposed to heat, which can tend to denature proteins and other important enzymes and nutrients, so they're all intact. This is going to be an incredible source of fuel for your day. Last but not least, add liquid. You can use almond milk, coconut water. I use just plain old water, and add it according to how frozen your fruit is. I'm just gonna add a little bit because I like a really thick smoothie bowl. This is passion fruit. It is like the most exotic and delicious flavor ever. Now it's time for my favorite part. We're going to top our smoothie bowl with all kinds of delicious and beautiful fruit. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's beautiful. It is time for Max to eat. It's time for me to dig in. So let's check out the final finished pink bubblegum bowl result. We've topped it with some kiwis and berries, and it's looking mighty delicious, if I do say so myself. You guys ready for the final taste test? Let's give it a go. Soon enough, Max, soon enough. So good, bubblicious and nutritious. So if you guys are into these smoothie bowl recipes, if you want to see more vegan, plant-powered recipes, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already joined us here at the Eat, Move, Rest fam. Max would love to see you guys here. And as always, click that bell to make sure you've got your notifications turned on so you'll get alerted when me and Dusty and Max and Bo put out new videos here on this channel. As always, leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know what you thought.
Maybe tell me how your smoothie turned out and what other types of videos you'd love to see moving forward. As always, share with family and friends, and be sure to follow Dusty and I daily on Instagram at Aaron Stanzik, at DB Stanzik, and until next time, what do we tell them, Max? Eat, move, rest, your best.